Imagine spending a delightful evening with your family, playing board games on the patio, surrounded by the warm glow of our solar-powered spotlights. Xmcosy spotlights are equipped with efficient solar panels, charging up during the day and providing 6 to 10 hours of light at night. They're eco-friendly and cost-effective. Installation is a breeze. Simply attach the parts by pressure and place on the ground. With 3 lighting modes, automatic, low light, and high light, you can easily switch between them to create the perfect ambience for any occasion. The adjustable angles of the spotlights and solar panels ensure optimal sunlight absorption and allow you to direct the light exactly where you need it. Don't worry about the elements. Our spotlights are waterproof and drop-proof. The unique design features acrylic suspended bubble lamp posts, which enhance the light effects, adding a touch of elegance and style to your outdoor space. Experience the super focusing function of the spotlights, illuminating plants, landscapes, and casting beautiful shadows on the wall. Adaptable to various installation locations, the lights create diverse lighting effects to suit your needs, enhancing your home's beauty and safety. Upgrade your outdoor experience with our solar-powered spotlights, perfect for creating lasting memories with your loved ones. Xmcosy.